Hello everyone, my name is Mubeen. I'm the tech support here at Arani. Today we're going to talk about the High Bay version 3. This fixture is ideal for high altitude placements such as farms and warehouses. Inside of the box you will find the fixture itself, the hook, and all the accessories needed. The fixture has a clear polycarbonate lens and it comes in many number of wattages such as 100, 150, 200, and 240 watt.
Meaning the product is available in 14,000, 21,000, 28,000 or 33,600 lumens. It has a 6-foot power cord, making it easy to connect, with a functioning temperature of minus 40 degrees to 45 degrees Celsius, and it is 0 to 10 volt dimmable.
It comes in 4,000 and 5,000 K with an IP rating of 65, suitable for wet locations. Depending on the model, the weight may vary from 5 to 11 pounds, and it is a DLC premium fixture. A bracket can be purchased separately. The input voltage of this fixture is 120 to 277 volts AC. However, a 347 version is available as well. The fixture is capable of using a motion sensor and a PIR sensor, which is sold separately.
Installation is as simple as screwing it on to the fixture. When motion is not detected after 5 minutes, the fixture will start dimming to 30%. After 30 minutes, the fixture will dim to 0%.
If you'd like to know more about installing this fixture, please go on the product page on our website. You will find a step-by-step guided visual breakdown. Visit arani.ca because you deserve great service.